Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Emily. I'm a part-time reseller and a full-time mom to 3 kids. I've been selling on eBay since 2003 and on Poshmark since 2018. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you know that I had recently purchased a pallet or gaylord of unprocessed raw clothing donations from Goodwill and had paid a little over $300 for it. It is supposed to be all clothes, but we may find some random things in there as well, since the bags have not been sorted. Well, today is the big day, guys. I am here at Goodwill to bring it all home. But first, let me tell you what I'm expecting in this box. Since these are unprocessed donations, I am expecting 50% of the stuff to just be pure junk or crap, and maybe 30% bread and butter items, and hoping to get at least 20% of the good stuff. Please let there be some good stuff hidden in these bags. Okay, I'm going to start unloading the car and bringing in a few bags at a time. With no further ado, let's see what kind of treasures we can find. Let the fun begin. Okay, well, here's an Eviva bag. I got excited for a moment because I do like to sell this brand, but unfortunately it was just the bag itself, and there were no clothes to go with it. It was kind of like a teaser. This brand was created by Lululemon for active kids. In the next bag is just a bunch of cheap scarves, which will be redonated but to a different thrift store, because I don't want them to end up in another one of my pallets that I'm going to buy in the future. Okay, now we've got a few small bags within a big bag. And we have more of the cheap scarves, a salt shaker, and a pair of jeans by Faded Glory, and some dirty, stinky socks. It just ain't starting out well, guys. In this bag, we have some Bath and Body Works. I have a question for you guys. Does anyone know if eBay will allow us to sell partially used lotions and body mists? I know that years ago I used to be able to sell partially used cologne and perfumes, but I think I heard someone say that it was no longer allowed. I don't know. So please let me know in the comments section below. So also in this bag is a light switch plate cover and a bracelet. I don't know if it is gold or not. I'd have to take a closer look at it later. It's probably not though. Hey, if you guys see anything worth money in this video, can you please let me know if I missed it? It would be very much appreciated. Thank you. So in here, we have a pair of jeans by Riders and some more dirty clothes. If this whole pallet contains stuff from this one household, then I'm screwed. And in this bag are more socks. Jeez Louise. Let's dump out the next bag. It's only got to get better from here. My goodness. Alright, the stuff in here is not looking too bad. Wow, there's even a purse that still has the tags on it. Thank you, Lord. It's cute too. I like it. This purse has already been posted in my Poshmark closet if anyone is interested in it. There's nothing else on this table that is worth mentioning, so we'll just move on to the next bag. Okay, here we have a backpack by MMS, but I don't think it's worth anything. And then we have a sock monkey and a single shoe, but I did see the other pair in the car, so we'll look at the brand later. This next bag contains some men's items. There's an Adidas shirt, a BYU sweatshirt by JanSport, and a Travis Matthews shirt. Just some bread and butter items. Yeah, there's nothing significant in this bag. There's just a pair of women's Old Navy shorts, another pair by Exposure, an unbranded Christmas sweater, a pair of padded pants. I think it's used for soccer, and a pair of shorts by US Air Force. So let's go ahead and move on to the next bag. Okay, here we have a bunch of caps. There's some that are by Roxy. There's some that are for Cal State Long Beach. And the rest are just some miscellaneous ones. In this bag, we have some bras and more socks. There's also some costumes, and I'm going to have to post these real soon because Halloween is just around the corner. Also in this bag are a few Old Navy shorts, and since they are not worth much individually, I'm just going to lot the same sizes together and sell them that way. A lot of the stuff in this bag is just really worn, so I'll go ahead and skip most of it. Here's a random hanging shoe organizer. Oh, and look what I found. A bag that's kind of heavy. It feels like there's a bunch of jewelry in there. Thought I had hit the jackpot for a moment. But no, it's just a gold-toned chain belt. It's pretty neat though, and I really like it. It looks to possibly be vintage, perhaps from the 80s. That would be my guess. I already have it posted in my Poshmark closet if anyone is interested in it. Now that was a pretty cool find. And here's another pair of Old Navy shorts. Okay, in the next bag we have some kid hangers, an unbranded jacket, a New Balance sports bra, some men's t-shirts, some baby clothes, a pair of Adidas shorts, and a maternity pants by Motherhood. And the next bag is just full of baby blankets, so I won't bother to take them out. I'll just leave them in the bag and redonate them. In this bag, we have some bread and butter items. This top is by Croft & Barrel. This one is by Van Heusen. Here's a Tadashi Shoji dress, which is an expensive brand, but the resale value ain't that great. The next three tops is by Miss Jennifer Lopez. Then there's two striped tops by Croft & Barrel, a floral top also from Croft & Barrel, a pair of shorts by Dockers, another top by Croft & Barrel, and another top by Van Heusen, and the other tops that are left on the table will be donated. Next we have a kid's twin Angry Bird comforter. And surprisingly, there aren't that many listed on eBay right now, so I can probably get about $30 to $35 for it. And here's a kid's Fila jacket. A kid's Disney Cars pants. It's supposed to be a two-piece set, but there's only the pants. This is a kid's Toy Story sweatshirt. And then we have some random toys. There's a bunch of Hot Wheels in here, and I was going to lot them all up and sell them, but Hot Wheels are only $1 each brand new. This lot wouldn't be worth much, and it didn't appear to have any collectible ones in there, so I decided to redonate it. Okay, on to the next bag. We have a men's Gap loose fit jean, a pair of men's Hurley pants, a pair of dress pants by Britches from Nordstrom, and here's just some random men's t-shirt, including the Spider-Man one, and there's nothing special about the rest of them, so let's move on to the next bag. In this bag we have some Halloween costumes, including a green adult Teletubbies costume. I know that adult Teletubbies costumes can sell for some decent money on eBay, depending on the color of the character. That's the only cool thing in here, so let's move on. This next bag has mostly clothes for a teen boy around 16 years of age. And a lot of the clothes in here is by Under Armour, which is a brand that I like to sell. It's one of my bread and butter brands. But since some of these are the same sizes, instead of selling them individually, I would just lot them up. There's also some shorts in here by RVCA, but I'm keeping them for my son because he's a skinny 17-year-old. Now this Rain Spooner shirt was randomly thrown into the pallet. It wasn't even in a particular bag or box. It's brand new and has a Huntington Beach theme on it. I found some comps on eBay and some pre-owned ones had sold for around $40 to $45. I love selling Rain Spooner shirts. I usually will pick them up if I can get them at a decent price. And then we just have some men's plaid boxers. This next bag has a bunch of shoes in them, but they are so dirty. I don't want to deal with them, so they will be donated. This next bag has a bunch of clothes from Talbot's, and I love selling this brand, especially in plus sizes. I don't pick up every Talbot's piece out there, but it is one of my bread and butter brands. Unfortunately, half of the stuff in this bag is kind of worn, so they will be redonated. Whatever's left will be lotted up by size. This bag here has a pair of Sorel snow boots in it, and I love selling Sorel boots as some of them can sell for good money. But unfortunately, this particular style isn't very desired, so it just ain't worth much. We also have one single snow boot by Comique Canada, a pair of snow gloves, a snow pant by Snow Zoo, and some dirty clothes. So let's move on. Now here's a necklace that fell out of one of the bags. I don't think it's worth anything though. I may just put any jewelry that I find in a container and save them until the container is full, then just sell them as a mystery lot on eBay, if I decide to continue buying mystery pallets from Goodwill. And this bag here just has a bunch of scarves in it. There's just 2 blankets in here and they will be redonated. This next bag has a bunch of miscellaneous brands in it. They all will be redonated except for the Eddie Bauer pants. I'm going to fast forward through this section because there's really nothing worth mentioning. This bag here is full of baby clothes, but too bad they are all pretty worn or stained. They must have used these clothes on multiple babies. If they had been in good condition, I would have just sold the whole bag as one lot. This is the last bag, guys, and there's nothing I'm going to keep except for the Liverpool pants. I like selling this brand as well. It's another bread and butter brand for me. There are certain styles within this brand that can do fairly well. So again, I'm going to fast forward this section since there's nothing really interesting to show you. So just when I thought that I was done and was going to end this video, I had found one last box on the ground. And wouldn't you know it, it happens to be the best box in this whole pallet. Thank goodness for that. I think this last box actually saved me from losing money on this pallet. Okay, here we go, guys. We got a Western boot by BCB Girls, and I found some that are currently listed on eBay. Then we got a Matt Burnson studded sandals. We also have a pair of heels by Mike and Chris. The upper leather is so soft and feels as though they'd be really comfortable to wear. Then we got a knee-high knit sweater boots by Gypsies, but I'm probably going to have to wait another 2 months for the weather to get colder to sell these. And looky here, we got a pair of Fry boots. I'd never found this brand in the wild. I would always see other resellers get excited when they find this brand, so that's a pretty cool find. And here's another Western boot by BCB Girls. Here is a baby's mustache bodysuit. How cute is that? This will be added to my Poshmark closet as a free gift with purchase. If you don't already know, I have a ton of free gifts that my customers can choose from. when they make any purchase in my closet. And here we have another pair of heels by Mike and Chris. Again, the leather is so soft. Next, we have a knee-high sock by Missoni Target. There's actually two pairs, but it looks like the other pair didn't make it in the video for some reason. But anyways, the set of socks will also be added to my Poshmark closet, again as a free gift with purchase. I just dumped out the rest of the contents in this box, and wouldn't you know it, there's a Rebecca Minkoff purse just laying at the bottom of the box. Here's another brand that I have never found in the wild as well. It is dang cute, and this purse has already been posted to my Poshmark closet if anyone is interested in it. Here's a green canvas tennis shoe, but it ain't worth anything. Here's a Free People phone case, but I'm not sure which phone it would fit. It's probably for an old iPhone. This is a Free People bag. It's kind of cute too, with all the jewelry on there. Here's a purse by Sanrio. Then we got an unbranded belt. Now I like this next pair of shoes. I wish it was my size. It just looks so comfy to wear, and it's made of lamb nappa leather, which is so soft. Plus it's foldable, which makes it great for traveling. I already have it listed on my Poshmark closet if anyone is interested in this item. Then we got an apron by Anthropology. I was going to add this item to my Poshmark closet as a free gift, but later I noticed that it had some paint stains on it. Too bad, because it was so cute. I would love to have given that away to my customers. This belt is also unbranded. And the last item I had to show you is another bag from Free People. It's similar to the one I just showed you a little bit earlier, but just in a different color. And that's it, folks. So what do y'all think about this palette? Do you guys think that I will be able to make a profit on it? Should I buy another one? Well, actually, guess what? I've already bought another one. Except this next palette is marked as store pulls, which means that any unsold clothing in the store is removed and placed into this palette. So if you're curious to know what I got in the next palette, be sure that you are subscribed to my channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. I think I am now addicted to buying these darn Goodwill pallets. They're just so fun to go through. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in my next Goodwill palette unboxing video. Have a great day. Bye.